Okay, folks, let's get started here. Today is April 26th. What we're looking at is the Nasdaq closing high. So it had a second all-time high for this week, second all-time high for the year. What we're expecting, we won't be surprised if we see 2 to 3 more all-time closing highs between now and the middle of May. So what our sources are telling us is the Nasdaq should keep increasing until the first part to the middle part of May. And then we're expecting between a 5 and 10% correction in the markets. So we're going to keep an eye on this. Remember yesterday, I told you where we would be situated at if the Nasdaq made an all-time high today. We have our portfolio situated in a certain spot. I'll go over that later. We still have it in there going into Monday because the Nasdaq made another new high. On Monday, if it makes another new high, we'll keep it in the same allocation. On Tuesday, we'll start reevaluating it to see if we need to start moving it. But we know we need to move and get conservative sometime between the first part of May and the middle of May. Stay tuned for other videos coming out later in the weekend. It's going to explain when we know for sure we need to move so we can avoid that 5 to 10% correction. We don't want to take that correction if we don't have to. That way we can gain on Harbor Capital. Stay tuned. More videos are coming out this weekend. Enjoy.